N40 Pro. Hello lovely people, it is your man Fifi, and today another Doogee smart mobile phone has emerged, and it's the Doogee N40 Pro. It has got a 6GB of ROM plus a 128GB of RAM. It is packed with a massive, when I say massive, I mean a whopping 6,380 ampere of battery capacity. Without further ado, let's get right into the unboxing.
Alright, let's see what we have right here. Okay, so that's the phone. So we come back to this later. Let's put it here. Alright, so we have right here the eject 2. So this is basically what we use to eject the tray, right? Okay, let's put it here. This is a warranty card, user manual, charger, and then the Type-C cable. Okay, so let's take out the sleeve. Alright. Oh, it's got a case. Already, you don't need to buy any case. Alright, so this is a normal phone casing. Let's put it here because I want to see everything. Alright, oh, it's got a good feel. The texture is very rough. That's good. Okay, so this phone right here has got the 3 choose hybrid card slots, right? And then if you turn over the phone, you can see the quad camera right here. So the first camera right here is the 8 megapixels wide angle camera, plus the 20 megapixels main camera, and the 2 megapixels macro camera, and then the 2 megapixels portrait camera. Right here you have the 2 rear flashes. Okay, so this phone is actually grippable. It actually feels good in your hands, and I think it's cool. It's so cool. So you have the Doogee, and then powered by Android.
Come to the end of the unboxing. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Catch up with you later. Peace out.